Hello, welcome back to Exploring with Rich and Tyler. Today we're at a former Islamic boys' school based in FLINTHAM. It was formerly an RAF base. This place has been abandoned for a long time by the looks of it. It's absolutely trashed, isn't it?
It's been about 13 years now, I think, that's been abandoned.
13.
So yeah. So and when you go around you'll see how very damaged, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's massive as well, so there's going to be plenty to see. Before we get into the video, be sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to build the subscribers up, and also follow our Instagram at Exploring with Rich and Tyler, which has bonus content on there that you're not going to see in our videos. So yeah, we're going to take you around now, and hopefully you enjoy.
Catch you in a bit.
So we're going to try and find an entry point. I think there's plenty of entry points because a lot of the windows are smashed in.
Yeah, there is entry points everywhere, to be fair. But we might as well go around and just check out the size of the scale of it.
The sheer size.
It is a big one, to be fair.
Yeah, it is. Jesus. It seems like every window around, if you just turn it a bit, like every window is fucking
It is
broken in. Someone's been having like shooting practice. Throwing rocks practice.
It's mad, isn't it? Places like this and also Coventry Stadium, both which haven't been left for a long time, have become so trashed in a short space. It's mad. This place was supposed to be demolished. Yeah, and it somehow has not been. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Fuck me. Tyler! Yeah, he caught. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for you to let go of that and it just belt me in the face. Wait. Someone's had the way with that.
What do you need for that? How the fuck would have done that?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
I'd love to have actually seen that, to be fair. Drop. Jesus!
Style it out.
I wonder what these little sheds are over here. What, literally though, what do you think these would have been? This one's storing roof tiles. It actually is. There's no maybe about it. There's roof tiles in there. Stupid clown. Right.
What's that?
I don't know what that used to be.
Looks like a little drain pipe. Just drainage.
I wonder how far it went down though.
Probably that far.
I reckon.
Yeah, what's surprising, it's just a drain hole, I think. Used to be a plumber, you see.
Right, in you go then, lad.
Yeah, which way?
First.
I'll head through that way, basically.
Okay. Stick your head in there then, lad, see what's in there. I say go further, further, keep going. I'm going to shut the door on you.
No, it's just a brick wall.
Okay, we'll go this way then.
Stupid boy. Oh my god, mate. That torch is really shit stuff.
We've got lots of alien graffiti I've noticed in this place so far. Somebody who was here could have been a fan of aliens, maybe. What have we got here? It looks like an industrial grade mixing bowl.
The rooms and stuff all being the same. There's nothing necessarily left in here, is there?
No.
What do you do about this place in the field? Like graffiti.
I know, this one especially has got a lot.
It's like an artist's playground.
Got some fire damage in there.
That's the front door area.
Oh, what's through there? So, what's that? It's like a serving hatch.
Yeah. It's fine, a lot of these places do.
It does look like a cool building though, doesn't it? For like all the paint peel on the walls and stuff.
It's like an urban decay.
Urban Decay. Looks like it would have been some kind of
Entry door.
entry point. More plumbing as well. I'm guessing there would have been like urinals or something there, maybe. It looks diseased.
Like Silent Hill.
Yes. Is that a bath?
Yeah.
It's weird, isn't it? Like having a bath in a school.
It could have been like a boarding school.
Right, so we're back in this bit now. Let's see where.
I think that's going to get through this one fairly quick.
Let's see where it takes us. Right, so this would have been the main entrance then, do you think?
Yeah, that's a cool corridor.
Yeah.
That's where we just were, wasn't it?
So yeah, that's out front there.
Oh wow, look at that down there as well.
Eerie corridors, isn't they?
It's a
What do you reckon this was in here then? Like some kind of the main hall. It's a cool room though. Yeah, we could do that next.
down like there or something.
Should we do it at the end?
Well,
Yeah, you got to be careful.
do we want to go that way?
Yeah. Just noticed there's a rather large opening in the ground.
How deep is it?
It's quite deep, even up to hurt yourself.
But not like that.
Yeah, all the birds. It feels spongy on the floor, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There you go first.
Birds and the bees, sycamore trees.
Oh yes. Sounds like the birds are actually inside. We've got here another long corridor.
Oh my god, I'm not going down there.
Come on, it's got to be done. Oh, I did. Just yeah, room after room.
That's what you mean.
Yeah.
These might have been like boarding rooms.
I don't know. It's weird, isn't it? Like,
Yeah. It's where like people stayed.
I think this. I mean, look at this here. How creepy that is. I'm gonna have to turn the exposure up a little bit. I think. That's it.
I think it's just like boarding rooms.
Oh, look at the ceiling.
Wow.
See if I can get that. It's just literally black. I take it this is where I like the fire. Kind of to face. It's so dark. Sorry if it is a bit. Look at that. It's like a bathroom. It's one of them sinks in Harry Potter. Don't know why I said that. Yeah, essentially leads out to the main road, and it's kind of one of those areas where there's cyclists 24/7. Oh, see, there's a mattress. That is like an old.
Yeah, it's burnt out.
So this was a bedroom then. Got like some mattresses here. Turn it up a bit so you can see. That's weird though, isn't it? This one room with a bed in it.
Odd, isn't it?
Unless that's maybe like where this could be like where one of the owners stayed, maybe.
Yeah, all that stuff.
Yeah. It does come off like a bit of a maze, don't it? Like you could get lost.
Yeah. We're going up?
Yep, let's go up. How do they feel?
Not very good.
Looking at it though, I think it's concrete with wood on top. I'm not sure.
There's a level.
Oh yeah. Looks like there was another level at some point.
Not getting out of there, that's for sure.
I'm tempted to try. Maybe not.
No fancy falling through 3 stories.
No. There was a pot of gold over there or something, am I?
Oh,
Oh yeah, we got like some satanic. You don't often see that really. Well, I haven't seen it, have you? In many places. Does it say on the wall? Can't really read it. The end. Seen me. So many. So random. The stuff that people write on walls. Do you reckon they're like on drugs or something when they write some of this shit?
probably. Like that? Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what's down there. Cool if there was like, you know, something left. Like this door's been absolutely destroyed into this room. Let's go in here and have a look. Fancy taking a tumble out there. What do you reckon downstairs? Do you know what this would be cool as? If they cleaned it up so you didn't trip over shit all the time. Airsoft.
Yeah.
Oh, these rooms look bigger here, look. This would have been like another. Do you reckon these, because these rooms are bigger, do you reckon this, yeah. That's what I was literally about thinking.
Original carpets.
Yep.
So we're starting to come down the corridors now, guys.
Feels like we're near the end, actually.
What place?
Yeah. Because we've gone all the way, obviously behind us, and then the opposite side.
I was trying to think what to say actually.
Yeah.
So we've come through obviously the back end of the building. We've gone up the stairs, as well as seeing some of the kind of the rooms that are throughout the building. Obviously there's this really cool long corridor, which is towards where the front is.
So we literally just come from all the way
More or less.
down there.
It's got a lot of the same rooms in it. There's a lot of stuff missing from this place. Obviously it's been abandoned for a long time, but there's not a lot left.
No, it just seems to have declined quickly, but it doesn't necessarily all look like vandalism. It looks like it's falling apart on its own as well. Like we just said, at the opposite end of the place. Yeah, they are brick though.
Yeah.
isn't there? I think this side perhaps looks worse than
The other bit.
the other bit, yeah. It's quite a nice view out there. So this is where, yeah, this is where we started.
Straight ahead was the window that we was at.
Yeah,
Must be that Call of Duty map.
it does, doesn't it?
Aeneas Place. Oh, we're gonna see a sniper glare. Move the door to there. I think we pressed, don't we?
Yeah, this is about the only flooring that's intact. That should be old natural wooden floor there, look. Still going. Kind of gives you a glimpse of what it would have been like. And this.
Oh, yeah.
This is actually.
Shower room, I think.
God, they like the shower rooms, don't they? What? I don't know. What is this? What are all
Shower
these?
room.
Yeah, what are these things sticking up here?
Shower holes.
Would they be like, yeah, communal showers? More wild graffiti everywhere. Alright guys, so that's everything. It wasn't a massive explore really, it was quite quick to go around. There's a lot of the same in here, you know, it's just kind of the long corridors, your rooms that have all been trashed. This part we're in now is pretty much the only part where there's still some original things left.
I think it was a shower room, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think this was actually a shower room.
But it's obviously we don't want to bore you guys with the same room, just in a different place.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was decent explore to be fair. It's massive.
It is massive.
Yeah, and it makes you think why it was set on fire and imagine what it was like beforehand. There's still bits and bobs of what was there.
Yeah, totally. So yeah, like I say, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, drop us a like, comment.
Follow us
if
on
you've been
Instagram.
here, used to work here, something like that maybe. Because people do actually find some of the places that we've put up here, like Kimmel Hall, Coventry Stadium.
Yeah, but if you do work here, just get in touch and let us know what place was like when you were here. We're interested. We want to know.
Yeah.
But yeah. Follow us on Instagram at Exploring with Richard and Tyler.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye!
We'll be right back.